Right. Hi guys. Today you will just see my face now. Hello. So I'm using a voiceover at the moment. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna use my DJI Neo with RCN3, and I'm just gonna be flying on Abermule Dolforwyn Castle. So it's just going round and round at the moment. It's a lovely scenery up there if you have a drone. It has come up on my radar. Hang on, sorry about that. I'm just thinking a minute. What came up? Yeah, what came up was do not fly drones over 8 kilograms. So if you have the DJI Air 3S, Mavic 3 Pro, Air 3 Pro, stuff like that is fine, but Inspire 3, Inspire 2, Phantom, or any other drone that's over 8 kilograms, I think they're going to draw the line to it. But there is no one there, so maybe you might get away with it. Just be careful with it. So what we're doing is just trying to just go round a bit and just show you a bit of Montgomery Castle with Montgomery. I keep saying it because we went there, we did. We need to do it again, we do. I have had a lovely Sunday dinner now by my mum, and now you should just see me going round the outside with it. Just going round the outside at the moment. So you've got a door there, and it'll just keep going round. Here we couldn't hear it, so I started getting a bit stressed. But I thought, I'll just keep going round the route, and I thought, what a coincidence, I'm just going round and round. So I went over there now. Then I bring it back. So, of course, you got some steps there. Be careful because they're grid steps. They're not wooden or fully metal. If you have small children, just careful their feet don't fall through because they are really small. So just be careful with that. So in these videos now, you might see me using the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 because now I've bought them. My dad's just buying them now. And now we're just upside down a bit with the gimbal, and we're just having a look at a few shots with the downward movement. I'm sorry that doesn't look really good, but it'll do for now. But we are beginner content creators. Any questions about Dolforwyn, my link in the bio, link in description for route on Google Maps. So I'm just using voice memos to record it with some mics I had for my birthday. And they look and sound quite good. And that's me there again. Right, I think we're stopping now. No, we're not. Oh yeah, we are. See you guys.